feel bad for Finn. My first time in Gizmo, it was exciting and scary, but I was older than he is.
Alva, you're here! Did you lose a brother?
You've seen Finn?
Yes, just now!
That's terrific!
Well, he needs to be found again. He sort of ran away. But don't worry, Skaver and Glump are searching for him.
Trolls? Oh, we really need to find Finn now.
Hey, I just want to look. They're pretty.
There he is! That silly little human's about to get into the Klondike patch! Don't go in there! Not again!
Ew, stinky and scary.
I'm gonna beat ya!
Oh, we'll see about that.
Huh?
We're strangers.
You're the strange one?
I'm not strange. I'm Finn. Oops, I shouldn't have given my name to strangers. Finn? Finn is Alva's brother.
Another one? No fair!
Alva must be so worried. I'm sure she's out looking for him.
Then let's get them back together so they can both be gone. Come on, kid, follow us.
I don't go with strangers.
I told ya, you're the stranger around here.
Be nice, Humble Bluff. He shouldn't go with strangers. But I have a way to signal Alva, though we haven't used it in a while. Ooly, 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 ho, ho, ho!
Ooly yobo!
It still works. Alva's coming. I like you. I'm Finn. And I'm Pom.
Finn!
Alva! It's so good to see you, Finn. Mo?
Finn's never seen you in Gizmo before, Mo.
This is Gizmo.
It sure is.
Gizmo is a little scary, and a little funny, and a little weird.
You're a little weird.
Humble Bluff?
Finn, Gizmo is like the real world, and the internet too. Some things are great, and some things are not. You need to be careful.
What do you mean?
Well, I come here to try to figure things out, but I don't do it alone. I always discover things with my Uli pals and Mo. I trust them, and I know they'll help me if I need it.
Like Mom or Dad or Nessa?
Exactly.
Alva, can you show me something really great here in Gizmo?
I sure can. I know just the place. The Songflower Patch.
That's an excellent place! Finn's had quite a day with lots of new faces. Why don't we let Alva, Mo, and him explore by themselves?
That's a great idea. Bye, Alva. Bye, Mo. Bye, Finn.
Have fun!
Make sure only one human comes back next time.
Humble Bluff.
Aw.
Bye, everyone. Thank you so much for your help finding Finn.
Bye.
On the way to the Songflower Patch, I can show you some of the nice things in Gizmo.
Okay.
And finally, here is the Songflower Patch. They can sing.
Cool. I like this.
So do I.
I calculate that it is very soothing.
Finn's asleep. We'd better get him home before he wakes up. Okay, Mo, time to go.
Was that real?
I don't know, Finn. Did it feel real?
There you go. Safe surfing now.
Great! Okay, Finn, let's watch something that's just right for both of us. What do you think?
What do I think? I want to go back to Gizmo.
Alvas
world. Fun is never